trip night tonight. Yeah, they don't have the zip line. Nice and quiet now. Here comes the music, so I may have to stop.
Okay, we put up with rain. I made a special phone call to Mother Nature. I said, listen, girl, you got to bless us with some good, very good, excellent weather. And guess what? We got some beautiful weather tonight. So Mother Nature, thank you very much. So, Sturgis Buffalo Chip 2022. Let's get this party going right now, right now. Cheers, stick around, man. Ladies and gentlemen, Devon Whirly Band, somebody make some noise! We got us a genuine bonafide party going up here at Sturgis Buffalo Chip Wolfman Jack Stage. Awesome job, dog. Awesome job. You guys rock. All right, I'm out of your way.
is Brooke Lauren, and she is from New York City. Her occupation, she's a cowgirl and stands 5'6". In her measurements, she wrote, "That natural bounce." With black hair and green eyes. And I asked her to tell me something special, and she said, "I ride, you drive." That's number 8 from New York City. That's Brooke Lauren. All right, contestant number 9. This is Gabriella Lynn from West Vigon, Virginia. In her occupation, she is a pediatric dental assistant and stands 5'4" tall. Her measurements are 39, 26, 39, with dirty blonde hair and baby blue eyes. And something special about herself, she said, "I can properly field strip any weapon and name every part on it." That is number 9 from West Virginia. That's Gabriella.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please give a warm welcome to Rock and Roll Hall of Fame band, Lynyrd Skynyrd.
So good to hear the sounds. Woo! We love you guys so much. I gotta ask you a serious question though. Hang on. How many diehard Lynyrd Skynyrd fans are in here tonight? Any diehards? So good to be back. Next year's going to be 50 years for Lynyrd Skynyrd, celebrating 50 years since the pronounced record. And we want to come back to the chip, so you guys make a demand on that for next year. And 50 years. So, can you sing? Can you sing? You're diehard Lynyrd Skynyrd fans, y'all wake up. We've been there, we've done that, and we ain't never going back again.
Buffalo trip.
That is Caroline from Charlotte, North Carolina, and number 6 tonight. Number 7 is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
All right.
This is Sarah.
Up on the lake and go now. All right, back at my camp, back at my tent. That was the Buffalo trip, and it's about, I think it's like 1 a.m. almost. But I'm going to take and start editing the video now and see how it turns out. And hopefully I'll get it out in my normal time tomorrow in the morning. So Anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.